Hello guys, this video is the 3-pipe EcoBoost replacement of a spark plug. Let's go check. Most of the car manufacturers recommend to replace a spark plug every 160 km. Remove two engine cover bolt and engine cover. I strongly recommend to blow all dirt, debris, small rocks from valve cover area. Once you guys pull the spark plug or coil, and in some serious case, it could be dropped small rocks into the cylinder combustion chamber. It could be damaged the cylinder. So I strongly recommend to blow the all dirt out and then spray the silicone spray, electric connector, all of us ignition coil, electric connector, because all of the dirt and it could be seized, it's hard to remove the connector. Once you spray the silicone spray all connector, it can be more easy to take them out. Release ignition coil connector white rocking tab back, and then disconnect all of the ignition coil connectors. When you're trying to disconnect ignition coil connector, maybe kinda some of the dirt and dust is still seizing, you need to more spray onto the connectors. On the left-hand valve cover, crankcase ventilation tube. Right here is block the spark plug remover, and so we need to remove this ventilation tube, and then backside one positive valve connector. It's also recommended to spray the silicone spray onto the connector, and then you guys see that it's spread out rocking tab, and then pulled upward, and then remove this rocking ventilation rocking tube. Next, you need to disconnect this connector from the fudge valve. So using the two finger, spread the rocking tab green end of the rocking tabs, and then pull the upward and disconnect the connector. Remove 6 all ignition coil mount 8mm bolts. And then remove all 6 ignition coils and I put them away. After removing all 6 ignition coils, loosen all 6 spark plugs. Do not use the impact or air tool, just the hand tool. I strongly recommend this swivel type spark plug wrench. If you guys wire remover spark plug, it does not straight or wind down, it could be spark plug damage. So I strongly recommend this swivel type spark plug wrench. And then once you break using the hand wrench, and then you guys can air ratchet or electric ratchet like this. And then remove all the sparks from the cylinder tab. I removed all of 6 spark plugs, pretty much dark and worn out spark plug gaps. If you have thread anti-seize chemical, just put them on the thread slightly. Put spark plug into the spark plug socket and then straight down, keep straight to the cylinder head, and then using your finger only tighten the finger tight. Do not use the air and any kind of air tool or electric tool. When you install the spark plug, only tighten your finger or your hand tight as much as. Once you guys tighten the spark plug with your finger, your hand as much as, and then using the torque wrench, torque down the auto spark plug 133 inch-pound. Do not over tighten, just 133 inch-pound. Clean any dirt on ignition coil connector area. Also slightly apply some electric grease end of the boot and then install all of the ignition coil onto the spark plugs. Once put all ignition coils onto the cylinder head, install all of 6 ignition coil bolts. All of 6 ignition coil connectors securely the rocking tab and other purge valve connector, and then crankcase ventilation tube also. You guys can hear clicking sound, rocking tab sound, and then put it back to the own connectors, and then engine covers, and then done. Thank you for watching.